Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, we'll go through the steps of setting up your brand new iPhone 14 series phone as a new user. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So you've bought your iPhone 14 and you want to set it up as a new user. So in this video, I'll show you how, and it applies to all the iPhone 14, the 14 Plus, 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro. So before we begin, first make sure your iPhone has sufficient charge, you have an internet connection through a Wi-Fi network, and you have an Apple ID, or if you don't have one, you can create one afterwards. So now the very first step is to hold and press the standby button on the right hand side, which is here. Just hold and press until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can leave it. Now this is really simple, as you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. So let me take you through. So first, just swipe up here. Now here on the screen, choose your language. Next, choose your country, so United Kingdom. And here you can basically tap on Setup Manually. On this screen, choose a network and join the network. On the screen, give it a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Now on the data and the privacy section, have a read and then press continue. On this Face ID section, you can press continue to set it up. But I won't do this right now, I'll set it up later. Now here you can create a passcode for your phone. So that if you tap on passcode options, you can basically create a custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, a 4-digit numeric code, or just don't use passcode. So I'll go ahead and create a 4-digit numeric code, and it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will give you a warning because it's an easily guessed passcode, so I'll tap on use anyway and I'll type it in again. Now on the apps and data screen, since this is a new iPhone and you want to set it up as a new user, just tap on don't transfer apps and data. Now here, if you have Apple ID, enter it, or if you don't have it, just tap on forgot password or don't have Apple ID. Now you can basically create one yourself. You can create a free Apple ID by tapping on create a free Apple ID. There you go, just follow the on-screen instructions. But for now, we'll just tap on set up later in settings. And then tap on don't use. Now read the terms and condition. And once you're happy, tap on agree. On this screen, you can tap on continue. On the iMessage and FaceTime screen, you can tap on continue. So location services will allow maps and other apps and services like Find Mine to gather and use data indicating your approximate location. So go ahead and tap on enable location services. Now this is a new feature on the iPhone 14 where it now allows you to set up eSIM. So basically it's an electronic SIM. From a mobile provider, you can get an electronic SIM. So basically something where you have a username and password and you can basically enter it into your device. Since I don't have this right now, I'll tap on setup later. And we can press skip. Now on this screen, Siri, you can go ahead and set up Siri. So you can select all the voices. And once you're done, just follow the on-screen instructions. For now, I'll tap on setup later. Now you have screen time, where basically you get a weekly report with insights about your screen time, and you can set limits to your apps. So if you want to set that up, press continue, or you can basically tap on setup later in settings. Now on this screen, you want to basically tap on share with Apple. So the iPhone analytics. And then you have your app analytics. You can basically tap on share with app developers or don't share. So I'll just go ahead and tap on share. Now you can choose two types of appearance. You've got your light and the dark mode. Tap light and I press continue. Here you've got two types of view, so you can have your display as a normal standard display, or you can have it zoomed in. So in the zoomed in, you can see your icons, your messages a bit zoomed in. So this is for people who have eye problems. You can basically activate zoomed in. I'll just tap on standard and I'll press continue. Now you've got your emergency SOS. So the iPhone is ready to help you in an emergency. So as you can see, if you press and hold the side buttons here, you'll activate the emergency SOS. In a crash, if the iPhone detects a serious car crash, it'll automatically try to call the emergency services. And in autumn 2022, you've got your emergency SOS via satellite. So if you're stuck in a unknown location, in a forest or somewhere, you can basically use the satellite to call up emergency SOS, and using that satellite, they can basically locate you. So go ahead and tap on continue. And there you go, you've basically completed the setup of your iPhone. So just swipe up. And now your iPhone is ready to use. And that is how to set up your brand new iPhone 14 series as a new user. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.